This lesson is about clothes. Jacket, jacket. Leather jacket, leather jacket. Coat, coat. Raincoat, raincoat. Scarf, scarf. Cap, cap. Hat, hat. T-shirt, t-shirt. Shirt, shirt. Blouse, blouse. Dress, dress. Suit, suit. Jeans, jeans. Pullover, pullover. Sweater, sweater. Trousers, trousers. Pants, pants. Belt, belt. Shorts, shorts. Skirt, skirt. Socks, socks. Shoes, shoes. Trainers, trainers. Sneakers, sneakers. High heels, high heels. Boots, boots. Sandals, sandals. Flip-flops, flip-flops. Gloves, gloves. Tie, tie. Bow tie, bow tie. Bathrobe, bathrobe. Towel, towel. Tank top, tank top. Swimsuit, swimsuit. Bikini, bikini. Knickers, knickers. Panties, panties. Underpants, underpants. Now let's repeat them. Jacket, leather jacket. Coat, raincoat. Scarf, cap. Belt, hat. T-shirt, shirt. Blouse, dress. Suit, bathrobe. Trousers, pants. Jeans, gloves. Tie, shorts. Skirt, socks. Shoes, trainers. Sneakers, high heels. Tank top, swimsuit. Boots, sandals. Flip-flops. Bow tie, towel, pullover, sweater, bikini, underpants, knickers, panties. What is she wearing? She is wearing a pink blouse and blue jeans. What is he wearing? He's wearing a t-shirt and shorts. What are they wearing? They're wearing black suits. What are you wearing? Please share your answers in the comments. Thanks for watching.